So this is a one-year Ontario College certificate. Renewable energy is really critical to, I think, maintaining a healthy planet, frankly. And to come into this program, we're just looking at a Ontario secondary school diploma. So again, the English and the math there is important to note if you haven't obtained either of those. So again, renewable energy is it's a growing sector here in Canada as well. We do, I mean, I am certain we're going to see growth in this year over year. Businesses are transition away from, obviously fossil fuels, number one, but then trying to figure out what the right fit is for their organization in terms of, a green or a greener solution. So again, I'll give an example here at the college. I shared the example of our landscapers, but we're also looking at a geothermal project at the campus, actually, that Fountain Street. And so that geothermal, instead of using gas or electricity, will use heat from the earth to heat our buildings and to cool our buildings. So again, there's those types of projects, are growing. Companies are, figuring out that they need to, reduce costs. And some of these older technologies that rely on fossil fuels are getting more and more expensive. So moving into, solar voltaic, solar thermal, wind, you name it. People are starting to explore this as an alternative. So we need folks that know how to install those different systems. So this program will provide students the opportunity to move into those installation roles, but also maybe be a consultant as well. And then maintenance and repair is something that we have to look at long term, obviously, as once they're installed, they need to be maintained. We have kind of 4 pillars that we adhere to in this program. We're looking at renewable power generation, energy storage, sustainable building practices, and electrical systems and safety. And so we have an amazing lab space that has, like our roof built into the side of one wall. So students are getting up on the roof, well, our indoor roof to install things. We've got trainers that help them, practice in terms of using the energy storage and management. So it is a really fantastic space. And again, as I said, at the college here, we are huge proponents of, these practices. And so lots of opportunities to look at things in practice at the college. Our solar array that we have at the Cambridge campus, when the geothermal project is finally installed, that will be another one we can look at. So yeah, this is a fantastic opportunity for someone who's looking maybe in the more practical role, getting their hands on in installation and maintenance and that type of thing.